Welcome to new mini system test 2. This one was requested by Fire Alarm Expert 25. He requested a simplex 4099 9003, but it's converted to conventional, and a BG12L. And up here, he requested a system sensor CHSR and an SR. So, let's get on with the test. Well, I'll just open this up real quick. Some nice audible silence action here. Now for the T-bar. Now I'll try and test the smokes. I gotta get like something to stand on though, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I got this. Alright, so I'm gonna test this one real quick. This one is the normal 2WB. This is the 2WBT. It's got a thermal thing in there, so it's also heat. Alright. That's very bright. Zone 1. Now we'll test the T. It's on 2. And reset. And both go out at the same time. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so that just about wraps this video up for requested system test 2. I will put the link for the form in the description of this video, so if you want to request a system, whatever you want, devices, and 2 horn strobes or 2 knacks, then let me know in the forums. I got a list of devices you can use. You can request sync, coding options. This panel only has continuous and code 3 though, so you could choose between continuous, code 3, or sync, which it can only do system, sensor, wheel lock, and Gentex. So yeah, keep that in mind and request a system. Thanks for watching. See ya.